So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Uber call options in Canada, ticker symbol UBER, here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple opened up on your device, what you have to do is go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass icon to get to the Discover screen. And once you're on the Discover screen, go to the top, go to the search bar, press on the search bar, and type in ticker symbol UBER. Just simply type in Uber. Now there's two different options right here. There's Uber Technologies Inc., which is part of the NEO Exchange, or what you can do is press on Uber, part of the New York Stock Exchange. For Uber Technologies Inc., where it says options, we want to pick this one right here. So go ahead and press on the second option down from the bottom, or down from the top, press on where it says buy, and then press on where it says options. Now, when you're on this screen, if you wanted to buy Uber call options, make sure that at the top it says, I believe that Uber will rise by. So for right now, we are currently on the call options, but for whatever reason, if it says fall by, or if it's on a put option, press on where it says rise and make sure that call option is checked and press on that. Then to change the expiry date, go to where it says buy. September 29th, press on September 29th, and you can change the expiry date to whatever date you want down the road. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and keep that the same. Now, if you wanted to find a strike price that's out of the money, there's options right here. If you wanted to go in the money, there's options right here. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to go in the money for $44 USD. Press on this one right here. And to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom and press on buy. And there you go. That is how you guys can buy Uber call options in Canada. Ticker symbol UBER here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.